Hi, I'm Lois Heckman. I teach two courses here at the Celebrant Academy. Right now, I'd like to tell you about the rituals course. In this course, we're going to survey many religious and cultural traditions, as well as secular ideas, along with Native American, pagan, Wiccan, and even more. Obviously, this is a lot, but you'll get an overview that will help familiarize you with traditions you may not have known about. You'll learn about their history, how to draw inspiration from them, and just knowing about these, even if you don't perform them, will help you understand your clients' backgrounds and needs, and will help you create new, modern takes on these old traditions. You'll also learn to create completely unique, individualized, custom-made ritual actions for your couples that'll bring that special magic to your work. I always think of the old expression, actions speak louder than words, because it really applies to rituals. That's the power of ritual. It imparts meaning and it helps make connections to the things that really matter for each couple, each family, and each community. I hope you'll join me. Thank you. Hi there, Lois Heckman here. I want to tell you a little bit about the writing course. In this course, we are going to take on the obstacles that people frequently face when writing their ceremonies. And very importantly, you're going to learn how to write weddings without spending hours and hours laboring over each script. Now, I perform about 75 to 100 weddings a year, and I don't have any trouble writing each ceremony in a timely way. And I'm going to share all my tips and tricks with you. As a celebrant, each wedding you create will be unique to each couple, but there is structure to lean on, and we'll break down all the elements of a ceremony and practice them as you get to create your own style, and you will completely be ready to take on this awesome work without writer's block or fear. That's just a bit about it. And I've been doing this for 17 years. I have lots of great things to share with you, and I hope to see you in this class to explore all that and so much more. Thanks.